Good afternoon, Con here with Techout. So the other day I made a video talking about the iPhone 4S in 2023, seeing if we could get it activated, and well, that didn't work out because, well, the 3G networks on T-Mobile have been shut down for about over a year now, and this is a CDMA iPhone. You know, back in the day, we had CDMA and GSM. Verizon was CDMA, T-Mobile, Sprint, I think was GSM, and maybe AT&T. So technologies were different between the different carriers. So phones like this were made different for different carriers, and they didn't all work together like they do today, where you can just pop a SIM card in pretty much any phone and it will work on pretty much any carrier. That wasn't the case, so we weren't able to get this activated on a carrier, but that got me thinking, I wonder if iMessage will still work if I sign in and do it via iCloud. So I did go in here, and it's turned back off now just so my iMessage just didn't come to this phone, but I was able to use my Apple ID for iMessage, and I was able to use the iPhone 4S iMessage, and this is running iOS 6. I forgot that gesture doesn't work on iOS 6. This is iOS 6.1.3 is what we're running here. So very, very classic, nostalgic looking iMessage interface right here with the, you know, the old style blue bubbles and text bubbles and stuff like that, and old message list and all that kind of stuff. I was able to send messages, receive messages, and all that through iMessage. You can see here, that's what the old lock screen looked like when you received a message. You could slide to reply, and it would go directly into iMessage after you entered your passcode. So very, very cool. You are able to still send iMessages on an iPhone 4S running iOS 6 in 2023, as long as you sign in with your Apple ID and use iMessage that way. So very cool. I will link my other video down below here to where I tried to activate the phone. But iPhone 4S in 2023, you know, still somewhat useful if you have Wi-Fi. I'm Con with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And as always, have a great day.